selection sort in C++. So I have already written this C++ code. Uh, so I'll now explain how this actually works. So we have taken an array A whose size we have predefined to be 30, and after that we'll input the number of elements in the array, like 10 elements or 20 elements, whatever. But the difference between this n and this 30 element is 30 denotes the total capacity of the array, and n denotes and n tells us about the number of elements in the array, I mean up to which the array is filled. So here we take input all the array numbers, elements of the array. So this is the main part which does the selection sort. So how selection sort works is that for every position I, from I equals to 0, index 0 to n minus 1, we say that this current position is the smallest element. That means that this current position is already placed in its right position. What I mean to say is, like, if suppose we have array 1 2 3 4, so 1 2 3 4, so suppose I say so in this case element at index 1, i.e. 2, is at its right position in sorted array. Similarly, if we have array like 1 4, so if we have array like this, we say that index element at index 0, i.e. 1, is at its right position. But if we see 3 is not at its right position, because if we sort the array, it would look like this. So actual position of 3 should be here, but it's here. So that's it. So we have a variable lock location, or location, which denotes if which tells what would be the right position for this current element AI. So okay, so now for every, so what we do is, for every position that is ahead, i.e. right side, that is right side of the current element, should be matched with the value at current position, which is the ith position, that is the position of the current min, the current index. Okay, so what we do is, if so let me take an example here. So if suppose we are sorting this array, we come to 1. Okay, so we start checking from, so here I will be 0 firstly, and location lock will be 0. So we will iterate in the second loop, i.e. jth loop, I mean this loop, from j equals to 1 till the end. So what it will look like is, we have, if min is 1 is greater than aj. No, it's not correct. 1 is smaller than 3, so we'll just continue. And after that, 4 is greater than 1. No, 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 I mean 4 is less than 1. I mean 1 is greater than 4. No, so we'll continue. 1 is greater than 2. No, so we'll continue. So that signify that tells us that the element 1 is at its right position. It is I, that is index 0. Now we come to the second element, I that is I equals to 1. So lock becomes 1. Now we check with 4. So is 3 greater than 4? No. Is 3 now it is 3 greater than 2? Yes, 3 is greater than 2. So what we do here is min equals to aj. We change min element with a of j, that is the 2 here, and we update the position lock variable to j. What it denotes is that when we complete this inner loop here, we will swap the elements at ith location to the element at location lock. So that's why we are doing lock equals to j. So what will happen is that j is here now, okay, and this I will be here, okay. So what we have what lock denotes is that the the farthest in the smallest value, the smallest value that is at right hand side of the current variable. Yes, that's what it denotes. Its position, actually the index, its index, smallest value, the index of smallest value or on right hand side. That's what the lock stores. So after completing this loop, I will be here and j will be here. So what we will do is we will swap the elements at I and j. So 2 comes here and 3 comes here, okay. So now the array looks like this. This is what array looks like. Now it moves to at position 4. So is 4 greater than 3? Yes. So we go to this if condition and we change location equals to j. And what we will do is, here is our j, here is our j, and here is our I after the inner loop completes. So what we again do is we will swap the uh, values at those positions, those indexes 1, 2, 3 and 4, and that's how our array is sorted now. So that's how it works. And lastly we are just printing the values of the sorted array, okay. So now I'm going to run this program. Okay, now it's compiling and I'm using Geany IDE, GEANY, just for info. And here comes the terminal screen. Here it is, enter the number of elements. Suppose we enter 5 elements. So enter the elements 1, 3, 2, 6, 99. Sorted list is as follows: 1, 2, 3, 69. So now as you can see the list is sorted. So that's how sorting works. Thank you.